Yep, I'm going to show you how to apply drop shadow on a text in Adobe Photoshop. You will select the layer and right click on the layer and click on blend options. You scroll down on the left panel, the styles panel, and select drop shadow. When you click on drop shadow, you get all of the options. You have the blend mode, which we would not cover in this video. You can select the color you want for the shadow, and then we have the opacity of the shadow, how visible or how transparent you want it to be on a scale of 1 to 100. And then next we have the angle of the shadow, the directional angle you want the shadow to go from. If you have other elements on your composition, you can look at the direction of the existing shadow and then try to match that with the drop shadow you're trying to create. So by doing that, you mess around with the distance of the shadow from the object, the spread of the shadow, how much ground you want the shadow to cover, and the size of the shadow. And when you mess around with the spread and the size, you can get a much softer feel to the shadow or a more sharper feel. Once you're done with this, you click on OK and you have your shadow applied. Thank you. Bye.